Hello, AQR. Good morning. All right, so this lesson we're going to do Hamiltonian circuits and paths. All right, so if you haven't looked at the Euler lesson, I recommend you do that because a lot of the concepts of vertices, edges, and graphs, what those are, were explained in that last video. So that last lesson. So please do that first before attempting the Hamiltonian ones. All right, so this basic continuation on that. So different guy, Hamiltonian, an Irish mathematician. So his take on these paths and circuits. So let's look at this little activity here. We're going to plan a trip around the world, visiting each city exactly once and using only one identified route to travel from city to city. All right, the dashed lines represents routes that are on the opposite side of the globe. So it's just behind the picture, in other words. All right, so I'm sure you tried to attempt this on there. So remember, I'm grading every draw activity in this lesson. So be sure you're pressing that submit button once you're done putting your arrows in here. And that you're doing a true attempt to each one of these activities. And like I stated in the slides, that I am going to be telling you whether the draw it slide is going to be if there is a correct answer. So most of it's participation, some of them will be for correctness. So and then I'm telling you that in the slide. All right, so as far as this problem, the way I see it, I'm basically taking it in rings. I've got a ring here, outer ring, and then a ring behind the globe, and that's basically the path I'm going to follow. So one of the things I'll do, let's start at I don't know, New Orleans. So I'll go this way, and then come like that way, and then I'll branch off to Santiago, come out this way, and then basically just travel from city to city this way to Fargo, Fairbanks, Honolulu, Brisbane, then fly to Hong Kong, then go around the back circle here through Moscow, all the way to Istanbul, this way, and stop there. So I'll put a finish here, I'll put a S there for start. Okay, so paying attention to the rules in this lesson is going to be very important. It didn't say anything about making a circuit, even though I probably could have if I looked at it, and I don't know. It just said I had to hit every city. It didn't say anything about using all the edges either. So you want to pay attention to the rules in this lesson.